What is the definition of a tree? Definition of a tree. A tree is a tall plant that can live a very long time. It has a single stem or trunk and branches that support leaves. Beneath the ground, a tree has a root system that acts as an anchor and stores the water and nutrients the plant needs to grow. Why are trees so important? Trees reduce the greenhouse effect by removing carbon dioxide from the air and relaxing oxygen. Each year a mature tree produces enough oxygen for 10 people. Trees are also an effective sound barrier and can limit noise pollution. Recent research shows that trees also help reduce the stress of modern life, which is the national tree of Pakistan. The deodar tree is the official national tree of Pakistan. Its name is derived from Sanskrit and means wood of the god. What is a tree? Part of a tree leaves, broadleaf or needles, primary location of photosynthesis and production of hormones and other chemicals, twigs or branches, support structures for leaves, fruits and flowers. What is tree? Trees are living beings just like people and animals. They give oxygen and take away carbon dioxide. Tree makes every place look beautiful. Trees give us fruits, seeds and flowers that we enjoy eating. How do trees work? Trees make their own food through photosynthesis using energy from sunlight, water from the roots, and carbon dioxide from the air to create sugar that is used to fuel the rest of the tree. Water is carried from the roots to leaf through xylem cells. How to save trees? How to save trees and protect our forests. Planting trees, buy rain, Forest Alliance certified products, support conservation organizations, use tree-free products, enjoy forests responsibly, learn about forests, be a climate change advocate. Know how to properly recycle. What is the most common tree in the world? Common juniper. The common juniper is the most widely distributed tree species in the world. The slow-growing, long-lived, coniferous evergreen tree usually grows low and shrub-like, but it can also grow up to 10 meters tall. What is the heart of a tree? Hardwood is the central supporting pillar of the tree. Although dead, it will not decay or lose strength while the outer layers are intact. Do trees have DNA? Different parts of plants, such as the leaves, roots, and petals, all contain essential DNA. Trees, which are among the most ancient of plant life forms, also have a very complex genetic makeup that so far has resisted many of the traditional genetics. Why are trees important in our lives? Trees contribute to their environment by providing oxygen, improving air quality, climate amelioration, and conservation water, preserving soil, and supporting wildlife. Trees are living things that are a huge part of the earth. They need sunlight, water, and air of survival. Trees provide many things like oxygen, food, shelter, and more to all living creatures. They are also an important source of medicine. What is inside a tree? Trees have an inner layer called sapwood xylem, which is responsible for moving water up the trunk and out of the leaves. As the tree ages, new layers of sapwood are born. The older layers of sapwood die and become the innermost layer called heartwood. What is heartwood? The older, harder, non-living central wood of tree that is usually darker, denser, less permeable, and more durable than the surrounding sapwood. How do trees sleep? Do trees sleep when the sun goes down? According to research, wild trees may not sleep in the same way animals do. They do relax their branches during night time, which suggests that yes, trees can activity rest cycle. These cycles can also vary depending on the tree species. How to protect the tree? 7 ways to protect trees. This International Day of Forest. Recycle and choose recycled. Go digital with bills. Avoid disposable paper products. Buy forest friendly certified products. Support forest conservation programs and organizations. Teach kids about the importance of forest. Enjoy forests responsibly. Why are trees our friends? We need trees because they purify the air we breathe and provide food, shelter, and oxygen to birds, animals, and humans. Trees also contribute to better soil quality and control erosion and flooding. Without trees, our world would be a barren waterland. Trees also help to prevent air pollution and global warming. How save trees save life? Even planting one tree can save so many lives. It is high time that we take action and save the natural beauty of the plants which nourishes all living and breathing creatures. When saving trees, they save lives and eventually save the planet. The saving trees and saving the planet is the motto we should all live by. Which tree is best for Earth? Live oak. The live oak, which is an evergreen oak, is able to sequester the most carbon of all trees over its lifetime. Acacia. The acacia is a key tree in many African ecosystems. Silver maple, belt cypress, the Somama capo